How to recover Trust Wallet on a new phone. So your first step is installing Trust Wallet. So download and install the Trust Wallet onto your new device. Once you've done so, go ahead and choose to import. So once you've opened up Trust Wallet on that device, go ahead and click on I already have a wallet. That is to import a wallet. So since you already have a wallet, select the option to import an existing wallet, tap on it, and then simply choose your secret recovery phrase. So go with this. I already have a wallet, and then simply enter your secret phrase. So you either enter a secret phrase or a private key, depending on the type of wallet you owned earlier. So enter your recovery phrase, carefully enter your secret recovery phrase in the correct order here. When you select multi-coin wallet, enter it here or simply paste it out. Enter all the words exactly as they are written, keep the correct order, check the spelling carefully, and then tap on import once you're done. Now, once you've done that, just simply wait for your wallet to synchronize. After importing, Trust Wallet will recreate your wallet address. Your balances are restored after the synchronization, so they would appear. And then you could easily enable your missing tokens by clicking on the token option and then simply clicking on manage crypto, and then go ahead and simply turn on the toggle for the cryptocurrencies that are missing. All right, and once you've enabled all of these tokens, that is it. Your balances would be displayed. All right, guys.